Another day, another record. Today we're talking David Bowie's Black Star. This is the 10th anniversary. Released January 8th, 2016, for David Bowie's 69th birthday. The album was recorded in secret in New York City. This is the 10th anniversary copy. Apparently there's some booklets in there too. It is a little different than the original copy, as you see the stars not popping out. It just looks a little bit different, but I am excited to see. Looks like a gatefold too as well, so we'll pop that open and take a gander at it. See how it sounds. So 2 days after it was released, David Bowie died. So we're gonna unbox this puppy, check out this record for today. This is just a fantastic repress all the way through. Just got done listening to it. This is fantastic, and it comes with the books, with all the lyrics and things on there. All the lyrics with some pictures and photos. I would say this is definitely a pretty nice 10-year anniversary pressing. I really like having, the gatefold. That's really cool too as well. Yeah, definitely. And it sounds great. It sounds really, really good. The whole thing, the bass, the drums, the lyrics, really mixed really well on this one. I didn't listen to an original copy, so I can't really compare it with that, but I have, listened to it online and things like that. So this is definitely a nice step up. Sounds really good, very emotional. You're very in tune with it, very even all the way through. There's nothing like, oh, this is too heavy or too much on any albums. No, really mixed really well. Yeah, hopefully you like the unboxing. Go ahead and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I write the music for these and have fun making them. So let me know what you think.